All the characters in this play are fictional. They have nothing to do with reality. If an incident or a character resembles with someone, it could be merely a coincidence.
What are you hiding, Bhavna?
Nothing, it is a phone. Even I got this as a reward from my parents for an academic performance.
Show me. I clearly remember that you got just 52% marks. Despite of scolding you, you got an iPhone.
So what? I don't care.
Have a glance at my new phone.
Wow, it is so elegant. Where did you get it?
It's a gift. My parent gifted this to me for my annual exams performance.
But I guess you just got 45% marks.
So what? My parent gave me this peerless gift.
Oh, I understood. They are over-possessive and over-pampering about you.
Of course, they will.
Hi, would you please do me a favor?
Yeah,
I'm neophyte in the school. Guide me the way to the library.
this way. I'm still wondering why these protopers and bloody primitives are getting admission in this esteemed school. Neither she looks nor a get best. She looks like a nincompoop to me. Does she look like a private school student?
She seemed like an ailing Lestromae. Look at her clumsy and shabby dressing. Forget about private school students. She neither fulfill the criteria of government school students. If I were the principal, surely I suspended her from this campus by now. Why wasted your time? Enjoy your ice cream.
Your entire class is divided into two groups. I don't know who is right and who is wrong, but for me, good academic performers will be faultless. Your final terms exams are not too far.
Who are they to molest us? Is it a trespass if we hail from rural area? Their inhumane behavior has tormented our soul. Enough is enough now.
They started this unfair fight, but we will take it to the next level. We have to fight for our self-respect. Girls, are you ready?
Not outshine them by words, but by getting great words in coming exam.
I have seen several competitions between juniors and seniors, but this is really horrifying how people are madly fighting over class and race.
They're exhibiting that how they are raised and their hollow arrogance. Fortunately, I'm having better role models. I always had an ardent wish to grow up, but seeing our seniors fighting for no reasons over silly things is an act of absurdity and folly. I wish if they mend their way before it's too late. Ugly sense of argument and foul language has become so common in our school these days. The education temple has become a battlefield.
Never seen before that someone can go to such cheap extent for outshining others. How good example they are setting in front of their juniors. This is mockery of education.
And we have educated unlike them. They are educated only for name check. Education and mannerism both are different, but for me, mannerism and self-respect is prayer.
The school is running because of our donation. They must be acknowledging our favor. If they go against us, then I am effort to say the school is about to shut soon.
I gave huge donation to the school. They can't suspend me. I have an huge influence to shut down the school. And who are these so-called paper tigers to challenge me?
May I come in, ma'am?
Yes, come in.
Ma'am, principal, ma'am is calling Kashish.
Kashish, you may go.
May I come in, ma'am?
Yes.
Who did this?
I don't know.
Why you tear off my answer sheets?
I don't know.
Ma'am, someone tear off my answer sheets. Only 10 minutes are left. What I will do?
Who did this?
She did. She did.
I did nothing. It is their plot to blame me, I swear.
Don't ever talk to me. You are a snake hidden in a glass.
I swear I did nothing wrong. It is their conspiracy, trust me. They want to create a rift in our friendship, believe me.
I think we are exposed.
We are too proud on our status and class. But beyond this, we forget humanity comes first.
What to do?
Let's apologize.
My elder sister is trustee in this institute. Let us talk to her.
Why should we apologize?
No way. No.
May I come in, ma'am?
Yes, come in.
Ma'am, I want to confess something.
Yes, sir.
Let me tell you the unreal truth. Tina and her mates were muzzled you and very cunningly sitting over there. Vaishali tore the answer sheet of Kashish and accused her own friend Neha. I am an eyewitness.
Even I was an eyewitness, ma'am. Their entire group is involved in this. They want to outshine these rural background students and never miss a chance to defame them.
Okay, let me investigate. You may go now.
So now that Witless will not cross her threshold, she was competing with me. Yes, I torn her answer sheet to make her realize her limitations.
Oh, you are a dark horse. How cunningly you tore her answer sheet and blame on her friend. Wow, you are an artist.
I did nothing. I heard everything. I did nothing.
How dare you to tear off my answer sheets? Did you know how hard my parents worked to uplift my career? They have worked day and night to uplift my better education. Shame on you. I wish if I could curse you, but
Ma'am, the real culprits are exposed. Vaishali had torn my answer sheets.
What? I will investigate. What a shame. You are here to defame our school and your parents' reputation. Get lost. You are suspended.
Have you heard that the arrogant seniors are fired from the school?
Yes, I know. It is their karma. They deserve it. So this is the matter. Please help us.
What actually matters in a pencil is not its wood exterior but the graphite inside. Similarly, your internal goodness more decide and the matter, not your outer look or ego. Being your elder sister, I can only say every person has right to education. If they are better in studies, then it is not a problem. Rather, it is an opportunity for them, challenging for you complete with them.
Looking pain and cast down.
These so-called civilized rural students have thrown my bag from friendship to last.
But why?
To show their class and humiliate, they laughed at me by calling me government school trash.
Why didn't you reach help desk?
Who said I did? Even they silenced me.
Various social events are existing in our society. Very sad to see that my fellow friends are fighting over class.
Before they were exposed, they were on the top of the world, but now their gloomy face are exhibiting their doom today.
Ma'am, I heard it several times that the fruit of patience is always sweet, but certainly not in my case. These brats are ready to tear off our flesh by calling us primitive and boorish. Ma'am, please guide me.
Ma'am, they have punctured my bicycle.
We are very sorry for our behavior, ma'am. Arrogance is used by weak, while kindness is used by strong. Peace begins with a smile. I will teach you the best I can. Rest is up to you, how you listen and respond. I hope in future I will not listen any complaint about it.
Yes, ma'am.
It is certain that we will connect flourish along. Goodness always remain ahead, and see, here it is another example in front of you.
What happened? Where is my money? I kept right in this pocket. How much money was that? Around 12,000 rupees. But why you brought this much cash? I was supposed to pay my Arabics and dance class fees while returning from class.
to make payment to instructor.
Are you sure you can?
Damn sure.
I saw Pooja in class during assembly.
Yes, she complained headache during assembly.
I think Pooja has stolen your money.
Maybe. Let's go and find her.
Ma'am,
Pooja has stolen my money.
on what ground you are accusing her? Do you have any evidence?
Yes, ma'am. She came from assembly early and stolen it.
Wait, let me check everybody's bag. Show me your bag. You show me your bag. You show your bag. What is this? So this is what you are doing in this institute? Very unfortunate and shameful act.
No ma'am, believe me, I did nothing. They are trapping me, I swear.
Don't act over smart. Meet me in my staff room.
Okay.
What is this? People like you are nuisance and stigma for our institute. You will be suspended soon. Had I been in the place of my sister and her friend, surely I would have apologized to those to whom they have annoyed and hurt. But I promise you, ma'am, on their behalf, that from now onwards they will mend their ways for sure. From now onwards, you will see their aggression in their studies, ma'am, not in their behavior. You are assuring on their behalf, then I accept their apologies. I am sure this was first and last time our institute witnessed class and race discrimination. You can go and continue your class from today itself. Make everyone proud by your academic results.
Yes. Pooja, from the core of my heart, I apologize you for accusing you. I found my bag. Kunal was a backstabber.
But Jarja book, by its cover, your allegations were acute, but I am forgiving you.